Python list. Python lists are just like dynamically sized arrays. It contains items separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. The values stored in a list can be accessed using the slice operator, square bracket and colon square bracket, with indexes starting at 0 in the beginning of the list and working their way to end -1. The plus sign is the list concatenation operator and the asterisk is the repetition operator. Syntax: list underscore name is equal to item 1, item 2, item 3. Example: first underscore list is equal to bracket Aman 23 35,000 manager good. Second underscore list is equal to bracket 3 year 8. Print first underscore list bracket hash prints complete list. Print first underscore list bracket 0 bracket hash prints first element of the list. Print first underscore list bracket 2:3 bracket hash prints elements starting from third to fifth. Print first underscore list bracket 3:, hash prints elements starting from fourth element. Print second underscore list asterisk 2 hash prints list 2 times. Print first underscore list plus second underscore list bracket hash prints concatenated list. Program to demonstrate the list in Python. Output of the program. Python tuple. Python tuple is another sequence data type that is similar to the list. A tuple consists of a number of values separated by commas. Unlike lists, however, tuples are enclosed within parentheses. The main differences between lists and tuples are: lists are enclosed in brackets and their elements and size can be changed, while tuples are enclosed in parentheses and cannot be updated. Tuples can be thought of as read-only list. Syntax: tuple underscore name is equal to bracket item 1, item 2, item 3. Example: first underscore tuple is equal to bracket Aman 23 35,000 manager good. Second underscore tuple is equal to bracket 3 year 8. Print bracket first underscore tuple hash prints complete list. Print bracket first underscore tuple bracket 0 hash prints first element of the list. Print bracket first underscore tuple bracket 2:3 hash prints elements starting from third to fifth. Print bracket first underscore tuple bracket 3:, hash prints elements starting from fourth element. Print bracket second underscore tuple asterisk 2 hash prints list 2 times. Print bracket first underscore tuple plus second underscore tuple hash prints concatenated lists. Program to demonstrate the tuple in Python. Output of the program. Python string. Python string is the collection of the characters enclosed within quotes. Strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Hello is the same as hello. Subsets of the strings can be taken using the square brackets with indexes starting at 0 in the beginning of the string and working their way from -1 at the end. The plus sign is the string concatenation operator and the asterisk is the repetition operator. Syntax: string underscore name is equal to double quotation marks collection of characters. Example: str is equal to single quotation mark welcome to use Python. Print bracket str hash prints complete string. Print bracket str bracket 0 hash prints first character of the string. Print bracket str bracket 4:6 hash prints characters from 5th to 7th. Print bracket str bracket 3:, hash prints string starting from 4th character. print bracket str asterisk 2, hash prints string 2 times, print bracket str plus single quotation, programming, hash prints complete string. Program to demonstrate the string in Python, output of the program. Summing up, Python function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. By using the function, we can avoid the repeating of the same code block. The beginning of a function header starts with the keyword def, followed by the function name and parentheses. A list contains items separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. Tuples are enclosed in parentheses and cannot be updated. Tuples can be thought of as read-only list. String is the collection of the characters enclosed within single quotes or double quotes.